So we're going to do it on low right here on this back side, and then we'll kick it up a little bit. Hey y'all, the good folks over at Trosi sent me over this cordless vacuum cleaner. This is model T350. We're going to get it opened up, check it out, and then we're going to try it out. So stick around. So we have some assembly of main part on the box lid right here. Kind of tells you how to put it together. Okay. See what we have in here. We have our cordless vacuum cleaner user manual. We have a, they call those a corner attachment, you know, to get up in the corner. And it has a brush. This is like a 2-in-1. Just push this little button right there and it'll slide up and down. Little brush right there. Good for doing your car and things like that, or up in the crevice of a couch. A crevice tool. That's what that is. Anyway, the crevice brush. There's a quick release on these. And a little cleaning brush right there. This right here will hook into the little bar that spins on your carpet. This gets hair wrapped around it and stuff. You can take that and cut it and be able to clean that off very quickly, or a lot quicker than not having one. Anyway, moving right along here, have our upholstery brush. This is for doing like a couch or a chair or in your car. There's a little, it's not really Velcro, but it's kind of rough and gritty where it'll kind of pop that loose stuff up a little bit and it'll suck it right on up in there. Have our battery. Now this thing is supposed to last up to 45 minutes on a full charge. Of course, this thing has a like a low, medium, and a high speed, I believe. We'll find out in a moment. And if you're going to be running on high speed all the time, that battery's not going to last that long. I'm quite sure when they set the time on these, they probably did it on the low speed. That's just a FYI, and that's just what I'm assuming. Anyway, we have our long wand here. This is extendable. Just push the little button right there, or you can have it short, or you can make it longer. Also doubles as a telescope. Just kidding. All right. Oh, cool. Comes with a filter here. I'm assuming this is probably an extra filter. We'll see in a moment. Okay, this is our wall mounting kit. If you want to mount this on the wall, you could mount it up on the wall, hang the vacuum cleaner right there. Well packaged. Have our AC cord here to charge your battery up. Let's go ahead and plug it in, get a good charge on it before we finish the rest of this. It'll just plug in right there, just like that. Have our main part here. I don't really know what you call it. This part where you're going to clean your floors with. Right here's what I was talking about with that little cleaning tool. You cut the hair and stuff and get it cleaned off a lot quicker and easier. Now you can use this on the hardwood floor and on your carpet. I don't have any carpet, so I'll be primarily using it on the hardwood floor. Looks like it has 6 little LED lights right there. We'll see how bright they are in a moment, but anyway, that's that. And then we have the main sucker right here. Now, the cool thing about this is you can use it with just, we could use it with, just say like that. You could use it like that if you wanted to. Not with the plastic on it, of course, but where's that crevice tool? Because that's what I would mainly be using it for if I was going to use it on the short part. Just like that. Be handy dandy for cleaning the car out or in the corners of the couch or the recliner. Push the, oh, that releases easy. Just push it, slides right off. That's nice. Or if you wanted to get down on your hands and knees, I reckon you could do it like that right there. That's for getting down and getting serious. Anyway, I don't know that. Well, actually, you really could use that like on your couch or something where you didn't really need to stand way back to do it. You could just put it right there and get busy. I like how those release so easy. You don't have to fight with it. To remove the filter, okay, this to remove the filter, remove the battery, and then press the release button to open the dust cup cover. Oh, right down here. There you go. Oh, look at that. So this is an extra filter there, sir. Comes with 2 filters, one in it and an extra. That's nice. Put that back in there and give it a little turn. Give it straight again. And turn it, lock it in, close it, back in business. Got a nice gold or bronze, I guess, color right here. Got a little accent to it. That's pretty lightweight. Our power button and then our button to adjust the speed on it. Let's get the battery hooked up on it, and maybe it's had enough charge to get it going. It probably had a good charge anyway, but I just want to kind of top it off a little bit, make it a little bit better. You'll just slide, it's got little slots right there, and it'll slide in that groove right there. That's our power button. We have a power indicator here to tell you how much charge you have in your vacuum cleaner. You got 1, 2, and 3 batteries. Button right here will make it speed up. Got low, medium, and high. Got a little fan looking emblem right there that'll tell you which level you're on. Of course you can hear it and you'll know. Ooh, it's got some suction. It does not have a turbo mode, but it's got low, medium, and high, which high would be turbo mode on most of them. This is not made to unscrew, even though it looks like it kind of could be. It is just for looks. Pretty nice. Let's put this thing together and try it out. Okay, I thought I was going to throw some dirt down in the floor to demonstrate it, but actually there's some stuff in the floor already. You can see these little pieces of styrofoam right in there, and a piece of grass right there, and lint or something right there. Anyway, let's see if it'll pick this stuff up right there. This is, oh, I picked that up, and that's on low. Wow. And that's on low, folks. This thing's light, too. And you can get up under the couches and whatnot. Look at that. That is impressive, y'all. Especially considering that's on low. Now, I have noticed on some vacuum cleaners, when you turn it off, the stuff falls back out, that it didn't suck it all the way up and it's in the tube. Nothing fell out, as you saw when I turned it off. That is a huge plus right there. Usually on my vacuum cleaner that I have, that I may be replacing, you have to leave it powered on, put your cleaning end down there above the trash can, and then turn it off, and whatever is there will fall in the trash can. Kind of a hassle. This makes it a lot nicer. Okay, just for demonstration purposes, I went out in the front yard and got a little dirt and a little bit of leaves. That way, if you didn't see real good a while ago, because I don't know how good it'll come out on the camera, but there's no mistaking it. That's dirt right there. So we're going to do it on low right here on this back side, and then we'll kick it up a little bit. That was no problem at all. That's medium. Pick that right. Pick them leaves up. I didn't even have to pick it up to set it on top of them. You know, sometimes you have to pick it up and put it on top and then move it. Let's do it on high. I really like that you can turn that sideways like that. I can stand to the side and vacuum. Look at that, folks. That's amazing. I don't see any dirt. I think we got it all. Kind of makes me want to vacuum the whole house now. Something else I wanted to mention, I didn't think about it a while ago when I was vacuuming. One of the things, like on my old vacuum cleaner, I'm saying old because this is going to be my new one, is that it has the turbo mode, But when you turn that turbo mode on, it only stays on for about 20 seconds and then it kicks off. Then you have to start it over or go back to the regular speed. When you hit the turbo, it only does it for a moment. This will run on high for, I guess, until the battery goes dead or you turn it off, one of the two. Anyway, does a really nice job. Y'all saw it. There's no question it. That is the Trosi Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. So if you'd like to get your hands on one of these, I'm going to put a link down in the description where you'll be able to order yourself one. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. I'd appreciate it. And I'd really appreciate it if you consider subscribing to the channel. This is definitely a thumbs up. I like it. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.